guys, it's Emma, and today we're just going to show you 3 different annoying things, and if we can think of anything else. So, first is a pencil off paper. Oh, dang, it's not doing it. Oh, that's not working.
This one isn't working.
Okay, then let's just attempt. Oh yeah, remember use this. Something like that. Okay, let's just put on the title, attempting to make weird noises.
Yeah, okay. Well, the next one up.
Is, I don't know what that is. Okay, what is that? I forget what it's
brass.
Jinx. Brass up a guitar.
And then if that nails.
Nails. It actually sounds cool.
It sounds like a rock, rock thing, yeah. But
okay, now it's what off the chalkboard? Oh yeah. Hold on, let's get up close. Do it. Okay, obviously this chalkboard doesn't make a weird noise whenever you scratch it, then it screams. Oh, yeah.
in school, I want to go up to the chalkboard and just go.
Okay, do it. I don't think they can hear it, but who cares? It's just brass off the side of a chalkboard.
Oh, the fake one.
The fake one. I'm going to draw something for you guys. I need 20 subscribers. If not, yeah, you heard me. Listen to the chalkboard. Oh my God, Chase.
I sure did listen to it.
Alright, so that was it for this. Is this it for this video? Comment down below if there's anything else that's annoying to you guys. And yeah, bye.